desert. My name's Bill Southern, and these are my Nugget Shooter Journals. I hunt gold, if you haven't been to this channel before, and for those of you who have, howdy, welcome back. And I'm out cruising around today, and I'm going to go try a new spot. It's an area I'm not real familiar with, so I got the gold monster today, and we're going to buzz over there and work some bedrock and see if we can't find some gold. I found a few tailings piles and stuff over there, so it's looking like the old timers thought it worthwhile, so we're going to go check out what they were finding. So anyway, let's fire up this buggy and get with it. Here we go. I really like these cruises in the desert. It gives me a lot of time just to look around. And they get a little bumpy, but it's not bad. And I like taking you guys along too. It's kind of cool to be able to see the flora and the fauna as I roll along here. You get swallows on the right there, and got several different kinds of cholla. The desert's an amazing place. Look at the cholla in here. Yeah, we do see some pretty cool animals when we're out driving around too. That's always a bonus. So what we're doing today is cruising off to a new area for me to putter around in. It's going to be a few more miles up the road here. And I'm not going to bore you with that long of a cruise, and it'd drive you nuts to have to sit here for the time it takes to get a few miles on one of these things in this backcountry, although we can clip around pretty good here, as you can see. It's just beautiful scenery. I think it's about 64 out today. Nice day in any man's book. It's going to warm up a little bit later. But some of these roads and trails get pretty tight and hairy in some spots. And every now and then you even got to get out and fill in a hole or two to get by, or you're going to end up crashed on the side of the road because you didn't fill in a hole and tipped over. Yes, I've tipped over in a buggy before. But usually from my own negligence if something like that happens. I try not to do that. But just look at the scenery we got here. Just a beautiful area. It's kind of flat right in here, and those sections are really nice. You don't get all the major bumps and banging around that you get. In the washes and stuff, it's like I said, it can get pretty hairy. You can see a contact zone we just went over right there where the rhyolite was in contact with another mineral. And we're just about to turn off, and I have about 3 more miles to go, I guess, from here, so see you in a minute. Well, today we're hunting with the gold monster, and I got a target right in here. This one's kind of jumping back and forth on the ferrous, non-ferrous side, so it might be a hot rock. There's a lot of them in here. Still there. I'm still thinking hot rock. Yep. In there. That one right there. Yep. Yes, sir. Just a piece of volcanic material. A lot of it's hot in here. No gold in it, but it's hot. Check out this schist. It's totally foliated. Look at this. It looks like a deck of cards laid out, or pages of a book. Look at that. It just comes right out. And it's got a lot of mica in it. You can see it reflecting real well. Look at this one just shining. Yeah, it's I'm hoping some gold's crept in this stuff through here. Maybe I'll get lucky. It's the perfect stuff. Finding a lot of trash. It's really cool to be an explorer. I love exploring. And look at this. Look at the banding in this rhyolite right here. Look at that. Is that not cool or what? Yeah, this whole little bank right here. And right here is a contact with schist. Boy, that's a perfect spot for catching nuggets. I sure hope there's some here, because I'm overdue. I need one today. Well, so much for that new area. It looked pretty productive. There's never any guarantees when you're out looking in new spots that you're going to find gold, whether the old timers were apparently there or not. And that was just one such area, apparently. So we're going to go back, and it's going to be another couple hour drive here. And I'm going to go have a look at a new spot for a little bit, and then I'm going to go to one of my claims up in here and putt around on that perhaps. At least got to squeak out a nugget somewhere. I'm overdue, but like I say, if you enjoy the desert and just enjoy life, just being out here, it's such an amazing place. Just amazing. Every now and then you'll come around a corner up here, somewhere like this, and there'll be burros standing right in front of you, just looking at you. You gotta stop, or cattle. And I've even had a bull charge my truck before. After I stopped, he's standing in the middle of the road. And I don't know what got his dander all up like that, but he actually charged my truck. He didn't hit it. He acted like he was gonna. So I honked the horn. He jumped up about a foot in the air and off he went the other direction. Check out the swell cactus along there. They amaze me. They almost have personalities. And sometimes at night when you're out camping and stuff, you'd be looking around out of the corner of the eye, you see what looks like a person standing there looking at you. It'll be one of these saguaros. And we got them every size, from little bitty babies all the way up to 30 plus feet tall. Amazing. And we got quite a ways to go here. We're going up here and around to the north, and then back behind some mountains up ahead. Get a little hairy down in here. Can't really see it in the camera because I got the automatic leveling on. So we get pretty tippy in some of these. Every now and then the old buggy get itself up on 3 wheels, one up in the air, or sometimes both wheels on one side or the other are up in the air. They make you jump a little bit and lean to one side. But it's just gorgeous out here. Absolutely beautiful. Sorry about a chihuahua yapping in the background there. That's the clear up swallow. That's the price you pay for having chihuahuas when you're trying to do a voiceover, I guess. But I just thought I'd take you with on a couple little cruises today, just because the desert's so darn beautiful. It gives you an idea of what we do when we're out driving around. Well, I moved to a different little wash. Nothing but trash in the other 3 or 4 I've worked today. This one's got some hand stack in here. You can see it along the edge. And some over there. See where they threw the rocks out. And I'm going to give this a try. It's kind of shallow right here. Pretty good signal up on the bank here. Yeah. Yeah. It's down a ways. Those always give me hope. Uh-oh. Okay, I think I moved it. Come on. That's pretty darn good. That's a lot of trash in these old piles along the wash too. We got it. All right, let's see what we got here. Yep, I always throw my dirt in the hole because we always fill them. Ooh. I felt something heavy in my hand. Because it's just a heavy rock. Had me going. Okay, thought it was a piece of wire. Oh, yeah, that's what I've been digging today, is pieces of tin can all day long. Whew. But still targets, right? Phew, boy, I'm about out of gas here. Whew. So I got another target. I just got done digging about 10 pieces of tin from a rotten can. Where was it here? Right here. It sounds halfway decent. Oh boy, in the rock. Hmm. Ouch. Right up under the old fingernail. Oh. Moved it. Sometimes that's not a real good sign, as we know. It's right down there in that crack. If we got it. Got it. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, there it is. That was not tin. Looky right. I don't know if you can see that in there because of the sun or the shade. But right there. See that nugget? It's right there. Yep. Ha ha ha, I'm happy. Jeez, cow, I worked hard for this little piece of gold today. My. Ugh. I was just about to give up too. I probably still am going to give up pretty quick though, but hot darn. Got me a little piece of gold, guys. Looky there. Yep, a little piece of gold. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's gold. G-O-L with a D. Gold. Oh, man. Okay, I'll hunt a little while longer. I'm glad I moved from the other spot. At least I got a piece now. Well, that's it. I'm done. Long day today, my friends. One little bitty nugget. Whew, I worked hard for that. Checked several new areas with no luck. Dug an awful lot of trash today. I'll spare you and not show you all of it. Anyway, I just want to show you this. A lot of people drive right by stuff like this. Never even notice. Yeah. That's hand cribbing, where they put that stuff up to keep the rocks from rolling down and the bank from rolling in. Mine shaft up there, I'm guessing, or two. Yeah, kind of cool. A lot of people drive right by, never notice. Could be a clue that there's gold in the area or other minerals. So anyway, if you like these videos, like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and leave a comment. I like hearing what you folks got to say about my videos. And for now, my friends, one little nugget and a set of sore arms and legs, and nugget shooter out.